This video walks you through how to change the date format in FreshBooks. Start by signing in to your FreshBooks account, enter your usual login details, and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you are inside the account, you can move directly to the area where account-wide preferences are managed. From the left-hand menu, click Settings. This opens the section that contains the main configuration options for your account. If the menu is collapsed, look for the Settings label or icon on the left side and select it to continue. After that, choose Basic Information. This section includes general account details and display preferences. You may see several fields on this page, so take a moment to make sure you are in Basic Information before moving further down. Now scroll down until you reach the Date Format section. This is the area that controls how dates appear throughout FreshBooks, where the format can be applied. If you do not see it right away, keep scrolling until the label is visible. When you find the Date Format section, click the Date Format drop-down menu. A list of available formats will appear. From there, choose the format you want FreshBooks to use. The available options include day, month, and year in different arrangements, depending on how you prefer dates to be displayed. You might choose DD/MM/YYY if you want the day to appear first, followed by the month and year. You might select DD.MM.YYY if you prefer dots between each part of the date. Another option is MM/DD/YYY, which places the month first. You can also choose YYY/MM/DD if you want the year to appear at the beginning with slashes between each part, or YYY-MM-DD if you prefer the same order with hyphens. There is also a written style, DYYY, which shows the full month name followed by the day and year. Select the format that matches your preference. This choice affects how dates are shown in applicable areas of your FreshBooks account, so make sure the format you pick is the one you want to use going forward. Once your preferred format is selected, click Save Changes. This applies the update to your account settings. If the page takes a moment to respond, wait until the change is processed before navigating away. After the save is complete, FreshBooks will use your selected date format throughout your account where applicable. If you return to any section that displays dates, you should now see them presented in the new format you selected. Your FreshBooks account now uses the date format you selected.